It is a beautiful, I guess, afternoon here at the River House, and Shay and I are at the bottom. It's the 23rd, so Christmas Eve, and we're at the bottom. I can tell you right now, had this monster been a crew cab, we wouldn't have gotten it turned around in here. Had my wife been here, we wouldn't have gotten it turned around in here. Nonetheless, Shay and I got it turned around in here. Even I'm not entirely sure how. So the goal today is to simply pick up the wood. We've had some problems with firewood disappearing. There's no point in giving up something I'm going to use, so we're going to pick up the wood. We're going to fall a couple of these big dead ones and start cutting it up. Well, I probably won't bother cutting up the cottonwood, but we might fall a couple of these little small pines and cut them up and just, you know, get, that's going to be pretty close to hitting the truck. We might have to move it. But this one's coming out. Cut up the rest of this for firewood. Yeah, just clean up the whole place and stack and split a load of firewood. And it's snowing, and I can't believe that we are at the 23rd of December and I got dirt on the ground and it's not gonna last, so let's get after it. Right, bud?
Mm-hmm. So looking at this one, it won't hit the truck. Its exact angle right here is pointing the way right here in front of me. It's not going that way, it's going this way.
Well, I think I'm gonna fall it straight that way. Yeah. I never claimed to be any good at falling trees. I don't actually like it that much, because I don't know what I'm doing, which is why I often cheat and push it over. Well, I think that's going to be pretty close to it, because I didn't stack it. fills up the trailer pretty quick. We got all that. All that was cut anyways. Hit a rock with the chainsaw. I'm carrying everything but a file, so we're done there. I still got another pile of just some small crappy firewood right in front of the truck. And you know, yesterday Shay was puking his guts out, just laying on the couch watching cartoons all day, which is something he doesn't do. And he said he was feeling good today, and he wanted to come because he doesn't like to get left out whenever there's trees and adventuring. But he didn't make it. He didn't make just a few minutes. I'd have left right away, but it was so much work getting this thing turned around. I told him I had to stay and load it. So he's sitting in the truck under a blanket listening to a book tape. Out like a light. Just done for. Hopefully I can pull the truck up there and grab that wood without waking him. Then we go to the road and I shut the truck off with the windows down and we listen real hard. And when we don't hear anything, we put the four-ways on, we nose out. When the road is for sure clear, I gotta jam it out of four-wheel drive low range into high range and go. It's quite the little changeroo. But yeah, I mean, why shouldn't I have this? Why should I leave it down here to disappear like a bunch of the other stuff? Might as well go home with me. Boy, that first split nice. So much nicer than that yellow pine. But, you know, the ponderosa wasn't super dry yet. This place will look nice once I get these burned. Super duper nice. Someday, we're done down here. We're done. This is enough that I can prove whatever I need to prove. We're 100% done down here, but someday I'll get that road put through the rest of the way. It'd be so much safer if I could just drive in over there, pull out right there, because then I could see, and then I just go and turn around and come back. That'd be so much better. This road is a much safer road. I just got to get it punched through. But none of that's going to matter if they're going to come through here with the highway. So. Oh, camera's struggling with the light today. I've been told that those are elderberries. I'm going to have to read up on them. It's supposed to be some pretty good jam. But since when have you seen a berry bush where the birds won't eat the berries that's not also poisonous? So I think I've been told wrong. Well, stop messing around. Let's get this up the hill. Sure doesn't look like much when it's stacked up. What is really interesting is that pine that I fell was purple inside. Blue pine, sure, that's common. So there's some blue down there. That's common, but purple, large bits of purple, I've only seen a half dozen times. And this thing had massive streaks of it. I sure wish I'd have caught it. If I'd have caught it, we'd have tried to fight that log out. Some sort of saw log length, at least 4-footers. Oh well. It's been a weird little time out here with Shay. He is once more socked out in the truck, so some bad parenting to let him come, I guess. But storm is working its way in through the valley. I'd say our days of getting lucky are just about over. So, from all of us to all of you on this, well, when I'm filming it, just before Christmas time, you guys have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.